Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to set up a market data fix client with Docker to connect live market data feed. Before we begin, make sure you have Docker Desktop installed, Python, and get ready. Step 1. Set up project, clone the demo fix client repository, and move into the folder. Step 2. Launch Docker Manager, run the Docker Compose Manager script. This interactive tool orchestrates everything for you. From the menu, press 1 to generate your fix client configuration. Now press 2 to build and start the Docker container. This spins up a lightweight, isolated environment with all dependencies. Press 3 to open a shell inside the container, navigate to source, and run the fix client. We're 95% there. To fix the connection error, we just need your trial credentials. First, sign in at TraderMade.com and go to your dashboard. On the right, click Fix Config to download your configuration file. Open that file, copy your unique username and password, and head over to your project folder. Open .env, swap the old credentials for the new ones, and save. Go back to your terminal and run Docker Compose Manager.python again. Now, select the option to generate fix config from .env. This will take the credentials you just saved and automatically update your environment for the Docker container. You're officially ready to go. Once running, you'll see fix protocol message streams appear in the terminal, including logon, heartbeat, and live market data snapshots such as bid/ask for your subscribed symbols. To watch more tutorials like this, subscribe our YouTube channel.